Welcome to the Bentley Library Research Essentials tutorials. In this tutorial, we will provide an introduction to citing sources. We will cover why citing sources is important and what you need to do to cite a source properly. When you do research for your papers and projects, you will be consulting a variety of sources. As part of your research, you will need to cite your sources or make references to your consulted sources to show where your information came from. Citing sources is important because giving appropriate credit and citing others' ideas in your work will help you avoid plagiarism. Using the ideas of others helps strengthen your arguments and proves that you have conducted the necessary research required, and citations provide a roadmap for other researchers to find the sources that you used. To cite, you will need to use citations. A citation is a way to refer your reader to the source of the information you are using. A citation is comprised of two parts. The first part is an indicator that signifies to your reader that certain material in your paper or project came from another source and to consult your bibliography for further information about the source. The second part is your bibliography, or a complete list of each source you used in your paper and the details necessary to locate a particular source. These details include the author, the title of the work, when the work was published, and additional publication information such as the name of the journal it may have come from, page numbers, or even a URL. The information that you include for each source in your bibliography will depend on the type of source that you are citing. You should always cite any source you consulted that is not your own thought or idea. This includes sources such as books, journal articles, magazine articles, newspaper articles, web pages, data, charts, and graphs. Citation should be used whenever you are directly quoting or using someone else's exact words from a source in your paper or project, and you should always make sure to put the quote in quotation marks. You should also cite when you are paraphrasing information from a source or restating the source's material in your own words without changing the meaning. Also, you should cite when you are summarizing information from a source or providing a condensed version of the original source's words or ideas without changing the meaning. When in doubt, cite. There are many different citation styles or formats that can be used, with some of the most common being MLA, APA, or Chicago. Each academic discipline tends to have a preferred citation style. For example, the social sciences and business tend to use APA style. For information on how to format citations in APA style, especially tricky business sources, both in text and in your reference lists, the Bentley librarians have put together a handy research guide where you can see our recommendations on how to appropriately cite different types of sources. You can get to the research guide by going to the Bentley Library homepage and then to our listing of research guides. Our Citing Online Business Sources in APA guide is listed on this page. However, some professors may ask that you cite in another style, such as MLA or Chicago. No matter the citation style you are using, there is help available. We have citation manuals in the library, and you can always speak to a librarian at the reference desk for assistance. The Writing Center, located in the lower level of the library, can also provide help with citations and formatting papers. If you have any questions about citing or about other areas of your research, please contact a librarian at the reference desk.